tornado. Look at this dude. Okay, let me see Doppler radar. Just 1 second. This is live. This is right now in Putnam County, West Virginia. Radar is showing precipitation right down here. So I'm assuming tornado's gonna be right there, rotation. And or this, but this actually kind of looks. Can you hold it? This actually looks. So over here, like face up. Oh,
sorry about that.
Okay, so face up. That's good. No. Oh my God!
This humongous supercell is about to hit.
Oh wait, hold on. That's actually moving pretty fast.
Oh my gosh! You got a probable tornado warning right over
there.
there.
No, we haven't. No, we haven't. Severe thunderstorm warning.
T-blow.
Probably might got some rotation over there.
Lightning was detected.
T-blow.
So, oh my, bro, it just increased it. Okay, so this just increased it to a tornado possibly. So we have that firing up. All this right here, all this is firing up. And I am actually a storm chaser. My dad is. My whole family is, except for my mom.
What?
We got a whole rotation.
Okay, so we got rain that way.
Feel rain.
Oh, okay, back it up. Back it up.
Option.
That just literally dropped on my lip.
It ain't hitting me.
It just hit me.
Go get back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, go.
Thank
Go
you.
here.
Thank you.
Hold Doppler. Oh, hold on. Hold this real quick. I actually want to see. Oh, it's getting windy. Oh, bull crap. We actually may have a tornado on the ground.
I feel rain.
We got possible tornado warning. This supercell is hitting West Virginia.
Oh, get back! It's getting windy. I'm ready for the tornado, baby!
Got possible tornado warning. Funnel right over there. Gang.
It's getting windy.
Possibility.
Yo, it's getting so windy.
Guys, get back.
Get back! Whoa! Oh my crap! Rain's getting on us, boys. Oh, get it out. Oh my gosh.
Guys, we got rotation right there in that mountain.
Go, there it is. Holy mackerel.